Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whiskers here, and today we're diving into the top 4 inline skates of 2025. Whether your human is a wobbly beginner, a tiny human just starting out, or someone looking to upgrade their glide, we've got some interesting options on the table. I've been observing, making notes, mostly mental, paws aren't great for typing, and I'm ready to break down what makes these skates stand out. We're going to look at 4 specific models today, each with its own set of features, target audience, and of course that all-important bling factor with the illuminated wheels. I'll be giving you my perspective on what makes each one a solid choice, considering things like adjustability, comfort, durability, and overall value. So get comfortable, maybe grab a saucer of milk or your preferred human beverage, and let's get started. We'll be looking at skates that promise to light up your ride, literally. From options perfect for the smallest members of your pack to versatile choices for the whole family, this is my deep dive into the world of human zoomies on wheels. Let's roll into it. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, first up on the list, we have the Sway Inline Skates. These are for ages 4 to 16. They adjust to 4 sizes, growing with the child. The push-button system is convenient. Lightweight and comfortable, perfect for beginners, and the wheels light up. Imagine a mobile disco ball. Priced at $39.99, they offer great value. Next on our list are the jorden Inline Skates. These cater to both kids and adults, making them perfect for family activities. Like the Sways, they also come in 4 adjustable sizes. The full light-up wheels are present here too, adding a fun, nostalgic throwback for adults and pure magic for kids. One of the standout features is the durable outer shell, providing better ankle support and protection. A robust shell can withstand the inevitable scuffs, scrapes, and occasional tumbles. These skates are marketed for both beginners and experienced skaters. For beginners, they need to be stable, comfortable, and forgiving. For more experienced skaters, they might look for better bearings for speed and more responsive handling. The jorden skates seem to aim for a middle ground, offering enough support and ease for newcomers. Priced at $52.99, they are a step up from the Sway skates, but that price increase seems justified by the enhanced durability. If you're looking for a skate that the whole family can potentially use, the jorden model offers excellent value. The combination of adjustability, full light-up wheels, and a durable shell makes them appealing for a range of users. They are designed to endure the learning curve and keep rolling. While they might not be pro-level, they seem to offer a solid, enjoyable skating experience for recreational use. And more confident humans mean fewer sudden movements that might disturb my nap. Chapter 3. Wheelive Adjustable Skates, the budget-friendly glow. These skates are just $23.03, making them highly affordable. Designed for both kids and adults, they feature light-up wheels for added fun. The adjustability ensures a good fit for various sizes. Despite the low price, they promise a decent skating experience. Wheelife skates are an excellent choice for budget-conscious skaters. Chapter 4. Nattork Skates, vibrant colors for the youngest gliders. These skates target young beginners aged 3 to 15. Stability, ease of use, and safety are paramount. Available in vibrant colors like blue, black, and red. Light-up wheels and appealing colors are a big deal for kids. Kids can pick a skate that reflects their personality. Adjustable to fit different sizes, ensuring more mileage. Priced at $24.99. Ample ankle support is critical for young users. Lightweight skates are easier for very young children to handle. And if they keep the little humans entertained, that means more quiet, sunbeam-filled nap opportunities for me. Chapter 5. Wrapping up the roll. Which skates light your fire? And there you have it, my deep dive into the top 4 inline skates of 2025 that are all about lighting up your ride. We've looked at the Sways for the growing kids, the versatile and durable jordens for families, the super budget-friendly Wheelives, and the colorful Nattorks for the littlest beginners. From my perspective, the key takeaways are that adjustability is a huge plus for growing humans in shared use, and those light-up wheels, well, they're just universally appealing. Each of these skates brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and budgets. The important thing is to choose a pair that fits well, feels comfortable, and encourages your human to get out there and enjoy the glide. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, comment below with which skates caught your eye, and subscribe for more reviews and top picks from yours truly. Stay curious, keep exploring, and maybe try to land on your feet. See you in the next video.